Good afternoon. It's a beautiful Sunday. And how are we starting our Sunday out? We're going to bury a body. Yeah. Just kidding. We have to go out to the local store. See, I'm sliding down here. This is already a sheet of ice. Our driveway. How the car did not slide down it, I do not know. Now to get him without falling. Yeah, woohoo! Whoa! All right, so yeah, we're going to the store. Whew, hard work there to get a jug of milk. And on the way back, we were stopping at the local garbage garage and grabbing a couple of totes of free salt and sand, and come back and doing this driveway. Yeah, because temperatures are +1 right now, above 0 freezing. Tomorrow the same thing, Monday. And Tuesday, it's going to +6 or 7. Yeah, +6 or 7. I said plus. First time we had +6 or 7 since early December. And now it's the end of February. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you when we get back and show you how we do the sand. I'm not going to shove it. I'm going to shovel it close. Alrighty, guys. We're out at the sand pile. It's kind of funny. A couple pull up beside with a half-ton truck and take some sand here, and they go kind of say, "Oh, look, oh, there's just mud. There's nothing left." So they left, and they didn't look over here. So that means there's enough for me. With this being Sunday, they probably had a big pile here. Probably a couple loader loads. Friday night when they went home for the weekend, the government guys. And over the weekend, the last 2 days, everybody and their uncle came out to get sand. And they took her all away. But as you see, there's a bit of pile of sand here, so I'm good. I'll be able to get my 2 things full here. And we'll go back to the house and put it on the driveway. Alrighty, guys. There's more to come in the video. I'm gonna be tearing something down, but I'll finish loading this up and bring you back when I'm throwing some around this driveway. Show you how to do that. See you in a sec. Whew, getting too over this stuff. Guys, we're back. We just got the one thing because there's hardly any there, and an older gentleman showed up, and I thought it'd be nice and leave some for him. Thought it was a neighborly thing to do. So we're just going to throw some of this up the driveway here as far as I can. What I'm concerned about, primarily, is where we walk and where the car is parked. Right now I'm stuck. Nope, the car won't go up any further. She is stuck here in the driveway. So, my hand's just freezing. Gotta use my bare hand. All right. So this is what we gotta do. I'm going to do this little bit here. I'm gonna pull ahead a bit and do here, and pull ahead a bit all the way down the driveway. Then I'm gonna back up on the stuff I already got done. Stop here, open the trunk, and do up the back of the trailer, then back it up, and then do alongside the truck and trailer where we walk, so the wife can get out easier and I don't fall either. I gotta break the ice off the step because poor Thor almost fell last night getting in. It's so slippery, so I'm gonna beat that off the front step for him. He still jumps up there. That's his way to get in. He likes that way. All right, guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Probably tearing something apart in the shack. That's actually gonna be a scrapping video. But I thought you guys might want to see what we go through here on a regular basis. See you in a sec. Good day again. This is another day. What day is this? This is, oh my goodness, this is Tuesday. You hear that? Can you see all the water coming off the roof? Yeah, it is springtime here. It's above zero, it's +5. The snow's melted out of all the barrels, almost melted out of the truck and trailer, so I don't have to shovel it. This last segment of the video, you see me putting the sand down the other day. Day for yesterday was, yeah, well anyways, this is a multi-day video, just a couple of things in there to talk about. We're changing gears for the seasons. So it's just a bunch of prep work and cleaning and arranging and organizing, and not a heck of a lot of strapping, unfortunately. As you see, everything, the fans out of the snow and stuff, that's all melted out. The wagon's all, the snow's melted out of the little wagon there. All the stuff's coming back up above ground, so we can see it all. That inside, this inside. Yeah, so the buckets are coming out of the snow. That's nice, that's really nice. I should have pulled that barbecue out of there tomorrow too and get the top off that. Or yeah, the bottom part of the top. I'm sweating. Look at the water running down the road. Look at that. Isn't that nice to see? It's say 5 or 6 today Celsius above, and it's going to be the same tomorrow. So I can't get any about getting soaked. The water's running off the roof. There we go. All right. And I forgot to turn the power on. Oh well, that don't matter. Don't need that for a little bit. A little bit. Look at this. She's all cleaned off. So, did I clip all these wires off? I got this organized a bit better down here. Gonna do a little bit more today. So get this all done. Today I'm gonna tackle this and clean up this. And you gotta clean up these little chests like this here out of barbecues. You got your brass and your cast aluminum. So we'll separate those today. Some more cast. Down there digging around, I found some more copper. That's all copper. Even these here, that's copper. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'll probably be tearing something apart here in a little bit. And oh yeah, stuck on the magnet. Just clipping some more wires while I got you here. So it's worth turning this freaking GoPro on. So we're having internet issues, so when this video is going to be posted, I'm going to try to upload it using data on the phone there tonight. Oh, it's windy. But I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. But we'll see. If not, I'll be in the city tomorrow, because tomorrow morning is compost and recyclable day up here. The garbage guys picked them up. So I'm going to try to beat them around the circuit tomorrow morning and see how much stuff's I can get, return bottles and whatnot. And we're doing a video of that tomorrow morning and putting her up sometime. As I say, tomorrow afternoon, we're going to the city to drop all this stuff off. All this wiring harness stuff. Pocket's getting full. Another 15 bucks there, I'll take that with me. So yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. We'll probably, I think we'll take apart that cash register out there if I can get out of the snow. I've never tore apart a cash register before. So that's what we'll be doing next. So I'll see you in a couple minutes, guys. Hey guys, we're back. And this is our victim. Yeah. Straight garbage. So, we're gonna tear this thing apart. Nice little cash register from the Hampton High School. I know there's no money in it, but little guy did find a $10 bill in one of them. There's 2 of them. And he found a $10 bill in one. So, yeah, he pocketed it. Little bugger. Do you blame him? I don't blame him. So we'll cut this off right away. Get that out of the way. I start a second bucket with just, what you call extension cords, I guess. And there's your wiring harness bucket. So, I got that started. Now, let's see. Yeah, a whole bunch of them. This one work? Yes, it will. All right. So, take one of these and this. And I'll start taking the screws. Let's see what's inside of these. Old cash registers. The wind's blowing out there. It's right around, I think I checked the clock. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. So we're gonna eat supper tonight because the wife wasn't feeling very well. Set this over here for now. So she napped quite a bit this afternoon. Where'd you go? There you went. And I don't blame her. She's been sick for months now. Back surgeries, and now she has a problem with her liver, which is not good. Let's see, how do these things come apart now? Huh. More screws. Let's take the bottom ones off. Yeah, so she has been feeling good for quite a while. Her liver's going. She got cirrhosis of the liver. And it's progressing. Not one thing, it's another as you get older, guys. But there's a screw at the bottom that's holding something in inside that you can't see. That's what I've learned over taking things apart. I've never taken a cash register apart. Tell you the truth, I've never touched a cash register before in my life. 59 years old. Never touched a cash register. I guess I did pretty good. I don't know how they work, and now I'm learning how to tear them apart. I make sure they're good and broke. You see, I cleaned up a lot down here. I'm not sure what I said over the last couple of days, because this is the third day with this video. So, I might end up repeating myself. I can remember what happened in the 1980s, but I can't remember what I did yesterday or today. I can't remember where I set my keys at today. But anyways. There we go. Pretty sure this is ferrous, but we'll give it a check with a magnet to make double sure. Yeah. So we'll set that here because it won't fit in the bucket. There's a clip there. So we'll take this. Oh, I guess it ain't gonna matter, is it? We'll clip it up here so we can pull it through. Set that off the side. Now, there'll be clips here. Let's see what these things do. Haha, that didn't work, did it? Let's see if you want to move down a little bit for me. Well, guess what? It's going to stay hooked because it's falling apart for me. So put my gloves on Just gonna cut my fingers open probably with my bloody luck. And we're gonna rip this off. There we go. Look at that. That was so hard, eh? Nice little transformer here. Now I don't know what to do with these here, so I'm just gonna set these off the side. I'm gonna start getting a lot of these when I start turning these electronic stuff apart. Reach. All right. And as I said, my scrapyard just started taking circuit boards, so we'll be putting them aside as well from here on in. You know. Let's start taking. Oh my goodness gracious! I lost it already. Where the heck did it go to? It just fell off right here. Huh? How in the world? There it is. Okay, move your hands, don't lose them. So make sure you can see good down here. Now, let's try this again, shall we? Get this transformer out. Here we go. That lifts right out. Different colored screw here. I'm gonna check this out. I think it's brass. Yes, it is. Nice little brass piece. Then my clean brass. Yeah, dirty brass, clean brass. All right, set this over here. And let's see. This little wire here going with my, what do you call that? Wiring harness wire. And the heck is this thing? Battery of some kind? Check that out in a minute. Snip that off. Snip that off. All right, copper donut and a copper donut and a heat sink. Let's get those out of there. The heat sink is screwed aluminum. Alrighty. Alright, no clips there. I know how to fix clips. I set it here. My ball peen hammer, my favorite tool almost. Snap that off. Cut that one off. Alright, I'll plug this in here. There we go. Here's our circuit board. Shake out the loose screws. Alright, pop this off. There's one. There's two. Wish these were a bit magnetic so they wouldn't fall off all the time. It's very flippin' annoying. Get that heat sink out of there. pair of Myers. No such luck. I thought I'd pair out earlier, but I guess I didn't. I put all my pliers up top there so I can find them easily. You're gonna give me a hard time, aren't you? There's another one over here. Didn't even see this one. Unscrew that. That's off. Little pry bar here. See if I can't just pry these off of here. There should be anything really holding them on here. I got a little bit of, what do you call it there? Look at that. There's a piece of extruded. Extruded bucket is building up. And where's the other? There's the other extruded. Get it looking like this. Lift it up. Dang it. Dang. Come on, you bugger. Alright. Let's try a bigger screwdriver here. Well, this big pry bar thing will work. There's one side. There's the other side. That's nice, clean extruded. Make sure, but yeah, it's extruded. Heat sinks usually are. That's steel. You know what? I'm not taking anything else off of this. Heck with it. My scrap iron ain't too fussy. So there's one circuit board. And this stuff is now extruded. So this can go with one piece in this extruded pile. I mean, not extruded, my God. I wish it was extruded. Shred. Yo. So these here. Come on, hook these little circuit boards out of here. Put that over there. Come on, you. You being a bugger. She being a bugger. The bugger. All right, let's get this one screwed out of here. Get these two boards out of this. Now a little circuit board. Was that ink on that or what? But it's all over my fingers. Well, that's a screen. That's what that sucker is. Let's get you hooked off of here. Come on, you get off of there. I really don't want to come off. Maybe it's not supposed to. Do you know what? I ain't repairing it. Set that aside. What's this now? No, that's steel. There should be Mylar or something under that. Well, we've got a little bit of time left, so what the heck? Let's just check this out. Alrighty, we just about got her done, guys. Oh, more garbage. Pretty sure steel. Yep. Huh. Gonna have to start getting rid of the shred. Here's that mylar we talked about. It has silver in it. It's supposed to be silver all through there. So I'm going to keep this aside. I got no idea. I'm going to come to a lot more than I imagine. How much this little thing here? I'm going to get out of there. Woo! All right, it's out. Yeah. Is that gold, guys? Look at that. I think that's gold in there. Holy lifting. Haha, we got to check in the gold recovery someday. All right. That's all garbage. Plastic. Throw this over with ribbon wire. That shred. All right, now nice hunk of copper there, I imagine. It's an older machine, so I'm assuming it's gonna be copper. I'm dead with my wire there. Ah. Alrighty, throw some of the wire there. And this is another East project, but I am pretty sure that that's going to be copper. I found my round foil. And yep, look at that copper. Yep. More copper to clean out someday soon. Put that in one of these buckets here. That one. And this is garbage. That goes over here for now, till I get a home for it. Oh yeah, this thing. That's steel. I knew that. So, it'll be nice to take a couple screws out. I'm just going to beat the heck out of this, but beat the holy heck out of it. But I'm going to be a nice guy. Okay. What the heck happened to you? I'm losing more bits because they're falling on the ground here and I can't find them. It's just too dark down there to see anything right now, as you can see. Oh, I do see something shiny. I see a nice piece of copper. A piece of copper noodle. All right. So, we're going to not lose any more screwdriver heads. I'll find them when I get the We'll clean up the floor here in the next couple of days. It's supposed to be above freezing tomorrow too. So that's always nice. This is all plastic shells, so I'm not going to bother taking out screws. So a couple of motors in there, so let's get at them, shall we? Use ball peen. Oh, so there's another ball peen hammer here too. Yeah, I have a magnetic here somewhere. Unless I threw it on the floor. Oh, it's right here. That's steel. So that there right in the shred. Got this little motor here, copper recovery. To this side here. Leather glove too, I guess. Put that there. All right, garbage, garbage, garbage. Garbage. Copies of wire. Get the end of this. Throw this in that wire. This is garbage. Motor. That in there. Every ounce counts. It all adds up. There's a little tiny circuit board. Put that with the rest in there. Garbage. Oops. Yeah, that's plastic. That's plastic. All plastic. All in there. Now this. Hey, yeah, I knew that would do that. Perfect. Yeah, satisfying. And look at that. Another piece of copper. It all adds up. And where's the other one at? I had two donuts here. Do you want this? Here it is. Okay. There we go. Another piece of copper. Ching. Yeah, we should have a little bit in there by the time. Tomorrow's Wednesday. By the mission, I'm going to do a bottle testing thing, as I said. I'm pretty sure. And for the rest of the afternoon, late morning afternoon, I'm going to tear more stuff apart, taking in the scrap yard on Thursday. Yeah, so we're going to try to post this video and see what we can do with. Tear these things apart off camera. I want to see if this will pop open. Those screws aren't holding anything, they're holding it on. Let's see if I can pop the sucker open a bit. There's where it looks like it's going to open. Dang it. You get back here. Not done with me yet. Alright, let's see if it popped in the open here. No, it did not. Looks like it opened up a little bit in the center. Alright. Well, we'll do them another day. Future project. Alright, guys. I know it's a weird video. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, because, you know, we're weird around here. And we'll see if we get this uploaded. Y'all take care. Have yourselves a great day, wherever you're at. One sec. Yeah. That. Let's end off it. Throw those in there. All right, guys. Now that's it. You guys have yourselves a great day and take care. God bless. Thanks for being here. Remember, like, subscribe, and all that nice stuff. And way to pay the screws. God bless.